Thanks for joining us. Welcome to Business Incorporated, coming to you live from Lagos, Nigeria. I am Bisi Adebayo. On the program today, Fitch Ratings raises concerns over South Africa's economic situation, and Zambia's central bank cuts benchmark lending rates to 12.5%, plus Swiss trading giant Glencore and U.S. private equity investor Carlyle Group team up in an attempt to buy Morocco's only oil refinery. Well, let's get the show started now, and we'll begin with the markets here in Africa, where Nigeria's all-share index is trending northwards at intraday after 2 straight days of profit-taking. Egypt continues to outperform its peers, rising 0.92% at intraday. The Johannesburg Stock Exchange was, however, down 0.04%, while Kenya closed 0.07% lower on Tuesday. And in the Middle East, declines in large caps weighed on Saudi stocks at intraday, while the Dubai index rose as property developer Damac extended gains. The Qatar index gained 0.19%, while the Dubai index was up 0.54%, as 6 others traded shares rose while 18 declined. The Abu Dhabi's index edged up 0.25%, as Dana Gas rose 2.4%. And European markets edged lower today as investors react to fresh corporate earnings and ongoing political uncertainty in the U.S. Let's talk to Daniel Coop, DWTV Channels TV financial correspondent in Frankfurt, for details. Thanks for joining us, Daniel. Well, investors appear increasingly concerned after the latest in a string of crises for the embattled U.S. administration. Well, we can see that the market is already negative, but how much worse will it likely get as Trump goes to the Middle East?
Yeah, after all those records that we saw during the last days here at the market in Frankfurt, we can clearly see that the market today is dropping. The blue chip index DAX is already down with more than 50 points right now. And this is happening a lot because of all those scandals, I guess we can call it like that Donald Trump is going through right now. We just had this breaking news coming in a little bit earlier that actually Russian President Vladimir Putin said that he would release those talks between Trump and his foreign minister. So yeah, we are monitoring this very closely. All the eyes will be on the trip of Trump to the Middle East. And yeah, you can see the market is really affected by this today.
Well, others are in the news as reports say the European Union will begin legal action against Italy for not policing allegations of emission test cheating by Fiat Chrysler, and the CEO of Volkswagen is also under big pressure over market manipulation in the diesel scandal. Can you talk us through these?
Yeah, let me put this for you into perspective, BZ, because when we had this Dieselgate scandal, all the shares of Volkswagen, were going down a lot. Investors lost lots of money because of this, and now the Federal Financial Supervisory Authority here in Germany is filing a lawsuit against the CEO of Volkswagen and also of other managers of the company, because they are saying that Volkswagen informed investors too late about this. We have something here at the stock exchange called ad hoc news. This means whenever a company feels that there are problems about the company that could affect the share, that they have to send this ad hoc message to traders. And traders here behind me, they basically receive those ad hoc news instantly on their computer. And they're saying that this news was released way too late, and because of this, shareholders and investors didn't have a chance on time to react to this. If the CEO of Volkswagen is found guilty on this case, he could be even sentenced to prison up to 5 years, or would have to pay a huge penalty fee.
Now, before I let you go, Daniel, we heard that laptop ban might spread out to all parts of Europe. What will this mean to passengers and European airlines?
Well, just imagine you come here in Europe to an airport and you would have to give your laptop away. We're already seeing this happening with carriers in the Middle East, and also already from flights of the United Kingdom to the United States. But I was actually at the airport a little bit earlier talking to passengers, also talking to airline officials. They're eagerly waiting for news regarding these issues, because this would create basically chaos here at the airports. We already have right now long security lines. Imagine all the passengers, all the business passengers would have to give their laptop basically to the airline. This would for sure be creating chaos. On the other hand, this ban is actually just affecting European carriers from the Middle East. United States carriers are excluded from this. So, of course, when you talk about airlines such as Lufthansa, BA or KLM, of course they are scared that they might be losing a profit in passengers, because business passengers, I mean, I travel sometimes on business, and I always see passengers with laptops or their iPads on planes. So they might be thinking, well, when I do my next business trip, I don't want to lose time. I'm going to use a U.S. carrier, rather a European carrier. So, yeah, I can tell you airlines and passengers are very concerned about this issue.
Well, thanks a lot, Daniel Coop, for these updates coming from the European markets there. Daniel Coop is Channels TV, DWTV financial correspondent.